everyone, Jen here for Jen DeBell Designs and Country Craft Creations. Today I just wanted to share with you my fun little shopping trip that I took at Country Craft Creations. It actually just hit my doorstep and I wanted to share. I did get some fun stuff, preparing for Christmas projects and Halloween projects amongst, other projects. So I did get some seam binding. I got quite a bit of white and the ivory, and I like to dye these with my distress inks, and I did get some of the new Distress Spritz, which I'm going to show those to you. And then of course the green, because I need it for Christmas projects. I also had to replace some ink blending foams. Those are available at the store. Distress ink and black soot, I had to get some more. Some magnets, these are the small basic grays. I wanted to try some of these larger 25 millimeter by 25 millimeter Craft Perfect black foam squares. Sometimes I have bigger projects and I end up cutting, and I just really wanted to try some larger ones. And then I got the Harvest Gold mirror card, again, preparing for Christmas projects. And I wanted to try the heavyweight acetate that she has in now from Tonic, and see the difference and how it works, and I will let you know when I do use this. Then I got the new vellums, some of them. I will tell you the colors here. I got, let's see here, the lilac, snow cone, blueberry, and bubblegum. And these are, I'm sure you've seen other designers use them already. I'm kind of behind the game ordering these. I was waiting for some other things to come in so I could order all at once before I went on vacation. These are a really good weight, I will tell you. These are not typical vellum. A lot of people think of vellum as a see-through type. These are 65 pounds, so they are a decent weight, and they're beautifully colored all through the core, so there's no white core. And these are great for, going to be great for matting. And I absolutely love the colors, so pretty. So I am going to set those aside. And then I had to stock up on my black and navy blue artisan. When this comes in, if you are an artisan user, that's an avid artisan user like I am, make sure you stock up when this comes in, as well as the chipboard. So I am going to set all of this stuff aside, and then we are going to check out these new Tim Holtz Distress Spritz. Now there are more colors online. I chose 4 that went well for Halloween and Christmas, and I probably will order the rest of them. I just wanted to start out with these. So this one is worn lipstick, and I am going to shake this up. You can hear it has like a little ball bearing in there, so that you make sure that you get that all nice and mixed. And I probably should peel the plastic off first. Grab a little small scissor here and cut this off. Otherwise it won't open because it's nicely sealed. All right. So again, this is the worn lipstick. I'm gonna pull the cap off, and I'm just gonna spritz that. And you can see. And I'm just checking. Add colorful shimmer to your favorite distress products. To use, shake bottle until mixing ball rattles and pigment is suspended in liquid. Spray directly onto surface, allowed to air dry or heat with a Ranger heated craft tool. Clean spray nozzle immediately after use. So you want to make sure you have a rag handy when you use these and wipe them off. So that is the worn lipstick. And I don't have the most perfect lighting, but hopefully that's picking up that glimmer. Next up, we have, what do I got here? This, I should have probably pulled all these labels or plastics off before I started my recording, but that's okay. So I'm going to do the shaking, and you can see this is peeled paint, which is a nice green for Halloween. If you are familiar with the Distress line, these do match all in that line. Oops, I didn't clean the nozzle seat. Bad habit. I do this with my regular sprays too. I forget that you really need to clean that nozzle. And so you can see you get the peeled paint, but you get that glimmery. I love the worn lipstick. You kind of see a gold in there. It's very pretty. That has to dry. We'll move on to spiced marmalade. And like I said, there's a few other colors, and I probably, when I return from vacation, I'm actually shocked at myself that I didn't get the turquoise and purple because, so that would be the peacock feathers, and I'm not sure what the purple one she has is called. Those are my two go-to colors with Distress. I love those colors, so I'm sure I will go back. So let's give a little spritz of that one. And you can see, clean the nozzle, Jen. Nope, clean it again. All right, one more. I'm really excited to see the other colors. I really wanted to order a few of these because they are a newer product and see how they worked and how I would, excuse me, incorporate them into my projects. This one is Twisted Citron. It's kind of a limey green. Like I said, if you're familiar with the Distress line, you will know these colors. And that comes out really nice, like a lime green with a gold in there. Love it. So those are the new Distress Spritz. So we have Twisted Citron, worn lipstick, peeled paint, and spiced marmalade. And you know what? I'm going to give that one another spritz because I didn't get very big and you can't really see it. So let's do a little bigger there. And hopefully, I don't want to pull this too close to the camera because my ring light causes a major glare and then you can't really see it. So, but I do want to make sure that you can see all that. I love this one. I think this so far out of these four is my favorite. So worn lipstick, peeled paint, Twisted Citron, spiced marmalade. So there you have it. That is my fun little shopping trip. I wanted to share with you so you could see those new Distress Spritzes right along with me because I just, as you saw, pulled them out of the box. And stay tuned to my channel to see what I do with this stuff. And have a wonderful crafty day. Bye-bye.